Could the homes of tomorrow be designed by artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where computers can create living spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional, sustainable, and catered to our individual needs. Take a moment to consider the case of the Turing house. This innovative project, named after the father of modern computing, Alan Turing, is a shining example of the potential of AI in architecture. It was designed entirely by an advanced AI program. The Turing house seamlessly blends form and function, resulting in a home that is both beautiful and efficient. The AI system used to design the Turing house was fed thousands of architectural designs from across the globe and throughout history. The system learned from each design, understanding the elements that led to successful structures and those that did not. It then used this knowledge to create the Turing house, a home that embodies the best of architectural design. There's something sublime about the Turing house. It has an aesthetic that feels familiar yet innovative. It's as if the AI has managed to capture the essence of what makes a house a home and presented it in a fresh and exciting way. But the Turing house is more than just a beautiful structure. It's a smart home in every sense of the word. The AI has designed it to be highly energy efficient, incorporating features such as solar panels and a rainwater collection system. The house even adapts to its surroundings, with windows and walls that adjust to the changing seasons to maximize natural light and heat. The success of the Turing house raises some fascinating questions about the future of house design. If an AI can design a house that is both beautiful and efficient, what does this mean for architects? And how will this technology shape the homes of the future? AI in house design could revolutionize the way we live. It has the potential to create homes that are perfectly tailored to our needs and preferences. Imagine a home that learns from you, that adapts to your lifestyle, and that can even anticipate your needs before you're aware of them. Moreover, AI could make good design accessible to everyone. No longer would architecture be the preserve of the rich and famous. Instead, everyone could live in a home designed by AI, a home that is beautiful, efficient, and perfectly suited to them. In conclusion, artificial intelligence holds enormous potential in the field of house design. From the creation of stunning, efficient structures like the Turing house, to the possibility of personalized, adaptive homes, the future of architecture looks bright indeed. As we move forward, we must embrace these advancements, using them to create homes that are not only beautiful, but also sustainable and inclusive. The homes of the future may well be designed by AI. And if the Turing house is anything to go by, that's a future to look forward to.